What's happening, everyone? Back here from Aston Co. Just gonna be doing a review of the Ricoh Day-Date factory Gemset dial and bezel. It's automatic men's watch, 36mm, presidential. It's got the features of linen dial, and the configuration is very much like a Rolex in regards to aesthetics. Probably one of the closest resemblances I've seen. Put that aside. Yeah, so take a look at this. Take a look at this dial. You can really see the linen pattern portraying there in the light. And even the configuration of the text is identical, nearly. The way they've laid out the bottom where the the superlative chronometer officially certified is meant to be. I'll put that next to it, the Rolex. You guys can see, very, very much similar. However, instead of saying superlative chronometer officially certified, it says down the bottom, shock protected 21 joules. So this does feature a Japanese Miyota movement. And it's reliable day-date movement. This particular watch is from the late 70s. You can just take a look at how accurate of a representation of a presidential Rolex this would be. It's definitely one of the most nicest ones I've seen. It actually has brand heritage, and actually, speaking of it, it's actually rarer than a Rolex in this configuration, because Ricoh is not really a watch manufacturing company. They're more sort of towards the camera equipment, lenses and things of that nature. So it's very, very special for them to have done a watch of all things. So the brand history for their making watches hasn't been too long, but they did pull it off really, really well, I must say. And you can get this Rolex, I believe it's the 18238 in this configuration. Looks the same from the 90s, 80s. Just take it off the strap here. So this is a factory strap as well. Gemset bezel, Gemset dial. Ricoh clasp, Ricoh sign on the bottom. Really, really nice tone gold. The yellow is really, really accurate to the original. Sorry, to the Rolex. And even the side. The back is screw back, however it's not as the Rolex would be. So can see the writing there. Ricoh, water resistant, shockproof, anti-magnetic, GP stainless steel, gold, so GP is gold plated. I'll leave a photo or a link down below to the actual Rolex of this configuration, so you guys can do a little comparison for yourself. Unfortunately, I don't have one with me. Yeah, the play of light in that dial is stunning. As I was saying in regards to case material, this is stainless steel, gold plated, very durable. As you can see, no wear, very minor signs of wear, apart from the clasp. Even then, it's expected for a watch at this age. So if you're looking to invest in something that's rarer than a Rolex, however, the design is inspired by a Rolex, definitely I'd suggest something like this. Stand out in a crowd. You cannot tell from just looking at it face to face unless you look up real close, as even the R and the logo look very similar. So I'll show you the Rolly there. I'll put the Ricoh next to it. It's very similar. Text configuration, extremely rare, you won't find these around. And if you do, they're not going to be in good condition, missing gemstones, non-functional or poorly functioning. And once our website has been established, this will be up. This will be up there, along with all the other watches. And if you also want to check out the watches that will be listed on the website, check out our Instagram, attests.co.official. It's in my bio anyway, so just check that out. And hope you enjoyed the review. I'll see you guys in the next one.